Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 13 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. And as you can see, after taking a look at this option bar, on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, so let's simply tap on it, and here we can choose from 4 different options, so 720p, 1080p, 4K and 8K. So all you have to do basically is to tap on the specific option you'd like to use, and the frames per second will also change according to the specific resolution. And if this specific option, let's say 8K, is highlighted, and if it is visible right here on this icon, it means that we just successfully set the option, and from now on our device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.